Hello, what's going on everybody? This is the Midwest Fan Collector here, and today I'll be showing you this vintage Fetters air conditioner. I picked this up just a little bit ago off of Facebook Marketplace. Paid 20 bucks for it. Thing's in decent shape. I mean, you can tell it's probably in a wall instead of in a window. I always did love these vintage AC units. I don't know why, but this specific style of AC unit with the back that's like this was always really cool. A little long story short, these are very childhood to me. There was a building that my family used to rent in Rushville, Indiana when we would have our family reunions. And there was several different AC units, and this was one of them that was in that building. It was in the wall. And when I was a little kid, I used to go over and mess with it, and I got in trouble messing with the thing. And it's kind of cool now that I finally have one in my collection. All right, we will start her up. This is low speed for just the fan. Not bad. There's high. Alright, now we'll start it up with the air conditioner. Believe it or not, this thing is pretty quiet. And it does get cold very quickly too. It'll definitely cool a bedroom down. There's low, I'll go to medium. Now high. Alrighty folks, I hope you enjoyed the video, and as always, more to come later.